Don't say I didn't put you on now. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't even know what to do. My eyes are burning. Oh, that's how tired I am. Hey guys, so 2026 is upon us, okay? We literally have 4 days to lock in on this reset, okay? I know I look super glamorous right now. I just finished filming a few TikToks and I actually just did an outro for my bedroom makeover, so I can't wait for you guys to see that video, which I'm pretty sure you already saw it by now. So cheers to the new year and to the new us, okay? Because we are locked in, like I said. I just want to get rid of crap, you know? Like, I actually been doing a really good job, honestly. I've been getting rid of things slowly. I went through my TV, you know, station thing, which, oh my god, I really want to get rid of my TV stand. I can't stand it. I hate the color. Like, I just want to get rid of it. Hopefully one day in 2026 we will. Okay, this iced coffee is not cold enough. You guys, ever since I discovered this and I put my family on, they're obsessed. So I'm gonna put you guys onto this as well. It's basically a cafe sauce. They have different flavors. Of course, for the winter season, I have the chocolate, but I also have the caramel and the pumpkin spice, and it tastes so good, you guys. All you need is a little bit of a drizzle. Takes your coffee to the next level. So you can't say I didn't put you on, okay? So one room that I really have been avoiding is the attic. My attic is out of control and I really don't want to start the new year with the attic being that way. I've also been neglecting the space. Like, whatever I don't want in this space, I've been throwing it over there. I'm finally able to get rid of all of these product empties. Obviously, I was saving all of this for my TikTok for the last week of December. So if you guys want to see all of my product empties, somebody who doesn't play about their hair, here are my 2025 curly hair empties. I'm gonna tell you if they're worth it or not with a simple yes or no. Definitely check out that video. But now I have like a sense of relief, like, yes, we could finally get rid of this crap. These are other things I'm gonna get rid of. Like, first of all, you know how long I've had this? I don't like the way this sits on my skin. I don't know why I still have it. I'm gonna just get rid of it. You know what else I found? I found all of these hair products from Curl Days. I only use these once, you guys. Only one time. Look, you literally could see the dust. Oh my god, my iced coffee. Oh no, not for real. Let me stop touching it. If you guys didn't watch my TikTok, I had an unfortunate incident with this brand. I'm just gonna throw this out because I had every intention of just giving that to a family member. But now that I think about it, I'm like, why would I even do that? Like, after what they did? Long story short, I had to put them on blast, okay, and expose them for who they are. Very unprofessional, very ghetto. So I just want to leave that behind and leave that in 2025. And you guys, I also have the Curl Love shampoo and conditioner. I would love to keep this, right? But the reality is I have too many products. I'm actually gonna give this to my dad. I know, so random, but you guys, my dad loves my hair products. Every time I give him something, or every time he comes over, he's like, oh, what's this? Can I have this? And I give it to him. He freaking loves it. So he's already familiar with Camille Rose. He's like, oh, sí, a mí me gusta, a mí me gusta. So I'm gonna just give this to him, and I know that he'll make good use of it. Fun fact, you guys, I may have my mom's name, but I have my dad's hair. And then I also plan on giving my sister-in-law this. My camera cut me off, so that's another thing we have to work on in 2026. Yori needs to buy a memory card and an extra battery. So as I was saying before I was really interrupted, I have another bag of hair products. But I'm gonna give this one to my sister-in-law. Here's the thing, I was sent these products by Camille Rose and I'm so grateful. However, they sent these products for like when you braid your hair. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna see if I get my hair braided this summer and blah blah blah. Girl, I don't braid my hair. As much as I want to, I just can't tolerate it, okay? I am too much of a control freak to let someone braid my hair. On top of that, I'm very tender-headed, and you guys know I suffer from migraines. So the last thing I need is braids in my head. So I'm gonna just give this to my sister-in-law. She does braid her hair occasionally. That way someone can use these, and these are not just collecting dust in my attic. The braid and scalp spray, and then the style and set foam. I do have an extra almond J. This is twisting butter. I used to use this when I first went natural, thinking that it's like a leave-in, which I think you can use it as a leave-in. But yeah, they ended up giving me like 3 of these. I can't get through all of these products by myself. So now I do have a whole bunch of hair products to get through in the bathroom. I'm gonna do a massive clean out. So now we're in my shower and we're gonna get rid of a couple of things that's in here. The first thing that's gonna go is this shampoo and conditioner. This is the biotin line from Rizos Curls. I literally only have a little bit of shampoo left, and it's been like this since the summer. So if I haven't touched it in 6 months, most likely I'm not gonna touch it like ever. I'm also gonna get rid of this right here from Camille Rose. I just don't reach for it as much. I would much rather use a clarifying shampoo over this. I just find it to be too oily, to be honest. So I'm just gonna get rid of it. If you guys have not tried this product, I am putting you on. If you want your hair to be so silky and like shiny, definitely give this a try. This is the L'Oreal Glossy 5-Minute Lamination Mask. The way my hair looks when I use this, beautiful. I really should get rid of this because it has like practically nothing in here. I feel like I can do one more because I like to use this as like a, not a pre-poo, but like to detangle my curls before I go in with my shampoo. Same thing for this one, Olaplex. If you know, you know, like you have to keep it like this. Olaplex really needs to like change their packaging because this is really annoying. Same thing with this. This is practically empty, but I'm pretty sure I can scrape the bottom of this, so I'm gonna keep it. By the way, if you have not tried Fenty hair, highly recommend. I found this in my local Marshalls. Don't say I didn't put you on now. Good morning. So it's been some time since you guys last saw me, and unfortunately I do have some bad news. So my grandmother is in the hospital. She's been in the hospital for the past few days. So for obvious reasons, I'm not going to tell you guys, you know, the full details. So me and my family have been in and out of the hospital these past few days, and it hasn't been easy, you know. I obviously had a plan to do a big reset with you guys, and I didn't get to do that. And it's officially the first, okay? So happy New Year to all of my girls. I can't wait to see what 2026 has in store for us, and I'm wishing you all a happy new year and many blessings to you. So yeah, you know, I had a plan of like doing a full crazy reset, which we started, okay? We started, and I'm gonna continue doing that. So the plan right now is for me to at least, you know, sweep my floor. Well, I'm gonna vacuum my floor and I'm gonna mop. I can't take down any of my Christmas stuff just yet because I was gonna get some storage bins, because as you guys saw, all that shopping I did, okay? Yeah, I need storage for all of that stuff. I should just order it because I was gonna ask my dad to take me, to see if he could take me to Home Depot. But obviously, you know, with my family being in and out of the hospital, it's not something I want to ask him to do, you know. I know that his mind's not on that, and that's the thing, right? I'm also learning to like let go and like go with the flow. Obviously this is not something that was planned, and sometimes we just have to pivot in life. I'm still gonna try to be as productive as I can in my house. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't even know what to do. I think the best thing for me to do is just to at least vacuum my floors, mop my floors, and tackle my bathroom, put some fresh towels. I can at least do that today and then figure out. So right now I do have on some ocean sounds because I didn't want to like listen to any music, because you guys know I like to put like the soothing jazz music. I'm gonna take off my pajamas because I don't know about y'all, but I can't be productive in pajamas. I feel like baga, like lazy. So I'm gonna put on my house sweats, all right, my house outfit. I don't know if y'all got the same thing, like if you have a designated outfit that you like to wear in the crib. I for sure do, which is like a baggy shirt and some house sweats. That's one thing I also want to work on this year, is getting like actual like nicer loungewear, you know, to be in the crib, especially like for filming for YouTube. Like I don't want to be looking that crazy in front of y'all. But anyways, I'll put on my house outfit so I can start being productive. Hey guys, so I just finished cleaning. I felt like earlier I didn't get to like really talk to you guys and say what's on my mind. You can kind of tell that I'm not all the way there. Like I'm lacking a little bit of focus. And that's because I just have too much on my mind, you know, between the new year, you know, the goals that I have in mind, reflecting. Sometimes it could be overwhelming when a new year is upon us. And that's why I always say, like, you could always reset your life. It doesn't have to be what everyone else says you have to. I do remember saying that sometime last year, like the new year starts when you want it to start. It may not have been what I had in mind as far as like doing my whole reset. I feel like life can just throw you curveballs and you have to learn to flow with life. Like you can't force things, you know. And so with that being said, I'm gonna wrap up this video here and I'm gonna continue updating you guys. I do have to get ready and head to the hospital. I just got some not so good news, so I do have to head over there today. Yeah, we're just gonna continue on, you guys. There's so much to declutter and so much to organize, and you know, when I'm less like scattered brain I will definitely, you know, order my things that I need to order and we'll have fun on this channel, okay? And I can give you guys some inspo and some ideas on how to organize your space too, and take you guys along with my journey. And yeah, family always comes first. So I hope you guys are having a great new year so far, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.